pH is a term that we have all probably heard, but when it comes to cleaning, the implications of pH can run deeper than being just a number on a data sheet. Today I want to talk about what is pH, the role that it plays in cleaning, and what you need to consider when selecting a cleaning chemistry. First, I want to define pH. You will commonly see this equation, which says the pH of a solution is equal to the negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. You might also see equations that refer to what we call the activity of the hydrogen ions. Now, the notion of activity is a more complicated thermodynamic concept, but for now, you can think of it as a corrected concentration based on deviations from what we call an ideal solution. For the purposes of this video, though, we can think about it as how acidic or basic the solution is. A pH of 7 is considered neutral because that's the pH of pure water. Anything above 7 is considered basic, and anything below 7 is considered acidic. Now, what does that mean for cleaning? Well, the ability of a cleaning solution to do what it needs to do is highly dependent upon pH. For example, saponification is a chemical reaction with the soil to make it easier to clean. However, it occurs at higher pHs. Now, technically, they can occur under acidic conditions too, but that reaction can reverse itself a lot easier under those conditions, so some argue that those basic conditions are more favorable for cleaning applications. Also, the solubility of a soil can be significantly impacted by the pH. Certain things just won't dissolve if the pH is too high or too low, and this can become a problem when a cleaner has been used for a while and it starts to become more acidic due to the presence of weak organic acids that make up many types of flux. For this reason, some cleaning chemistries contain pH buffers to try to maintain the pH at a consistent level. Another consideration when thinking about the pH of your cleaning chemistry is ESG, or environmental, social, and governance. Most, if not all, publicly owned water treatment works have strict guidelines for the pH of your waste that you can put to drain. Not to worry though, many cleaning chemistries already meet most state and local guidelines for effluent pH. But if you have any concerns, you can work with your chemistry provider to find a solution that fits your individual needs. I'd like to end this discussion about pH stating that although pH is a very important property of a cleaner, it's one of many important properties that must be balanced to provide effective cleaning. Selecting a cleaning chemistry based on a single property, pH included, can potentially cause issues down the road as the chemistry becomes used. Alright, if you like that content, make sure to hit the like button. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below or send an email to askdradam@kaizen.com. Thanks again and stay clean.